Alright, welcome back to Project Sports Roof. Today we're going to put insulation on portions of the gas line. Remember, we're chasing down possible overheating of the fuel going in, causing some acceleration issues, and maybe trying to prevent some vapor lock. We're going to use this stuff by DEI. Came recommended, and had to order it because not too many places around here carry this kind of stuff, or at least not the size I needed. And so we're going to go ahead and put that on there. It's pretty much like a little jacket. You wrap it around. This is adhesive, and it will stick to itself over here. You pull off the plastic, and that little strip there is adhesive, and it'll stick to itself. You cut it any way you want. And since we've got some little twists here, we'll have to make a few different cuts on there. But I'm basically going to run it along, and I won't be able to show you this, I'll show you after. I'm going to run it along the line that comes right here next to the block, and down to the fuel pump. And then I may encase this hose too as well, although that's usually not a problem with conducting heat. But I'm going to go ahead and insulate that too, since I've got enough, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so we're putting on the wrap. You can see it's already on over here. A couple things to be aware of. You can see I'm doing it here, just a quick tip. Do the small pieces at a time. I mean by that, pull back the plastic just a little bit at a time and then attach it. Otherwise, especially if you've got a bend, otherwise it gets caught on itself and ends up being a huge mess. So as I pull it off, I start to wrap it. And then push it around. Oops. As I pull it off, I start to wrap it, and I pull it around, and then I finish pulling that off as I fold it over. It's a two-handed job, so I'll put it down and you can see the end result in a minute. So I fired up the Mustang. We're going to let it run for a little while and see if we have any heat issues, vapor lock issues, or just listen to that gurgling sound that happens in the car. It's going to be running for a couple minutes. I'm going to let it run a little bit, and then we'll come back and listen. Go for a ride.
on, dude. We had a stall. Let's see what we got going here. So I don't hear the bubbling, but she just won't stay running. There's other options. I guess we're going to try. It was a good run though, but towards the end she kept stalling out every time I stopped, so we'll have to see what's happening with that. And then a couple suggestions were low fuel pressure, so that may be the next thing I do. We'll see. Otherwise, love this car. It's doing great.